Kilang rato an pan kardom ipa jeri lo kardom pini nang li tum pan isi break jeg abir tanang paklang kon ik jila ke pini nada celebration get together do kon ik lo ke kon nada tim lo betul langkung iko ke malang dak niar siluni picnic spot along adung head lo lapen lada pini wall motorcycle di arani paman pon pen lada rider setumaan Karbi Anglong East West gitu an lapen Halloween Nagaland penon lason dak aki hilu pen kacitong do lapen satu West Bengal Kolkata lason pen na citong enta do dasila dak pini wall motorcycle di long kacitong arani ason kapaman pon along no di kum sitan ni nang lang ton lo
30 seconds. So, pardon, nali to news that voice of the kids, nali to whole motorcycle day ani nali to give out and nil to fun ini nampak di penny kita, dah bangso yang sangat. Nili ke Jambali motorcycle club, non acip dah. Nali nakar juga nama ke je non obe kimitum drugs kicu. Kirimre hormu kirim. Alang litum nilitum tuning sita nilitum pen SP Karbi Anglong SP DC alang litum pen nilitum awareness kam claim lo alang litum club lo akan Karbi Anglong ke do club la motorcycle club pen indrum pet pen sini litum ke high school a college tamsi a meeting leaflet lapen rondo lapen drugs kini lahoy ki chupen kopi ma ke henu lahoy ta ni tum than lo ni tum lang la so a video ta do a meeting a video do ba SPDC ni tum la so meeting ni tum tem lo dadet kali ni tum ke pu Quebec pu alam mali ni tum ke la obe kimi tum anda kisman logo charli na tuta ni tum ke education es ta awareness do lo lapen ni tum la Quebec club pen ciri ni dah tempat club nasi lahilo yang lian saya bangsa itu dengan claim o mana batai tri tak kan claim nasi aku tidak claim bom ini itu la Quebec club curung ada
kami kan saya jadi tadi madi disiplin kita syuting sinon kita jo langsung event di host di ini garni ke thelo ni kan it's a big day for us as a motorcycle riders like Royal Enfielders, you know, whatever bike, but we are Royal Enfield lovers and we are in the Royal Enfield community and fraternity. So like people are whatever they expect, but we give whatever is right. So as long as itu backbone lo, dambom lo, nonton deposit lo, dan different community do, different places, different towns do, different like education do, as itu citong pen itu anu sekali, community, kasi tang, anu se unit kecil happen like promoting hills and valley tourism, whatever in education, in something like kind of like a pillow. Ini so mana pillow kahari kangkran kami limit pen kali madi pen keno nai hormu kami kami beri cemlong awareness pen cerita kangkran ni tum ke anu dengan kuci je ni pen bakte cuma ke ni thang khai pan sing hon khai pan kami sing hon pon ni song ni cuma kawat amin tu pillow speak on bom share on bom mana bom share on bom lo kan on bom lo ni ke tek ke bos dan kadun lo kan ke tek on kan on bom so ni tum an te cari on bom lo ke in future ame ke than on bom ko we follow each other, we learn from each other, which bring a good vibe for our community, right? And then thank you for the Voice of Hills media partner and Longway Motorcycle Club, Karbi Anglong. We are young, but we are like are doing really like big things for like today.
From each club to participate. This is compulsory. So I miss one thing.